So this is the exercise 8.2, algebraic expression and identities for class 8th, and this is the first question of this exercise. Okay, and part 1 of first question is find product of 4 and 7p. So we have to multiply 4 and 7p. Okay, so this is simple multiplication. 4 times 7p. Okay, or you can write it 4 times 7 times p. We will multiply 4 and 7, so this will be equal to 28p. Second question is negative 4p and 7p. So this can be written as negative 4p. We have to multiply both this, and this can be written as negative 4 times p times 7 times p. Now we have negative sign here, so this will be negative 4 multiplied by 7 will be 28, and we have two p's here. This is one p, this is second p. So p into p is p square, because this have one power and this also have one power, and when we multiply, powers are going to add. So this is negative 28p square. Now third is negative 4p and 7pq. So this can be written as negative 4p. We have to multiply both monomials, so the 7p and q, and this will be equal to negative 4 times p times 7 times p times q. Okay, so this will be equal to negative, multiplying 4 by 7, we will get 28 times p times p times q, and this will be equal to negative 28. This p have one power, this also have one power, so on multiplication powers will add, so this will be p square into q. So this is negative 28p square q. Now fourth is 4p cube and minus 3p. So this can be written as 4p cube times negative 3p, and this is equal to 4 times p cube times negative 3 times p. So on multiplying the digits, we will get negative 12 and p cube times p. This is negative 12 and powers will add. So 3 plus this is 1 will be 4. So answer is 12p to the power 4. Now fifth is 4p times 0. So 0 multiplied by any number or digit or anything will be equal to 0. Now second question is find the areas of rectangles with the following pair of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. So we have to find area of each rectangle whose length and breadths are given these. So for first, length is P. For first part, this is given P and Q. Okay, that it means L is equal to P and breadth, that is B, is equal to Q. Now area of rectangle is equal to L into B. L is P and B is Q. So on substituting the values, we will get P times Q. So area of rectangle is equal to PQ square units, right? Now second is 10m and 5n. Length is 10m and breadth is 5n. So area of this rectangle will be equal to L into B. L is 10m and B is 5n. So this is equal to, we will multiply the digits first. So this will be 50 mn square units. Now third is 20x square and 5y square. So L here is 20x square and B is 5y square. So area of rectangle will be equal to L into B, length into breadth. L is 20x square times 5y square. So on multiplying the digits, 20 times 5 is equal to 100 and x square y square square units. Now fourth is 4x and 3x square. 4x is L, this is L, and B is 3x square. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B. L is 4x times B is 3x square. On multiplying the digits, we will get 12 times x square, and this will give 12. Powers will add, so this is 1 plus 2 will be 3. So 12x cube is the answer. Now fifth is 3mn and 4np. L is 3mn and breadth is 4np. So area of rectangle will be equal to 3mn times 4np. Multiplying the digits, we will get 12m. This is 1n and this is 1n. So 1 plus 1 will be n square p square units. Now question 3 is complete the table of products. First monomial is this here. It's given in row 2x minus 5y 3x square minus 4xy 7x square y minus 9x square y square, and second monomials are 2x minus 5y 3x square minus 4xy 7x square y minus x square y square. So when we multiply first monomial with second monomial, so answer will be written here like this. 2x into 2x is equal to 4x square. So similarly we have to fill all these blank spaces and write the correct answers here. So let's start. Now first answer is given this. Now if we multiply 2x with minus 5y, okay, so answer will be here. So 2x minus 5y multiplied by minus, let me delete this, 2x times minus 5y. So 2 times x times minus 5 times y. On multiplying the digits, we will get negative 10 times x times y. So this is equal to negative 10xy, right? So answer will be negative 10xy, right? Now we have to multiply 2x with 3x square and write the answer here. Okay, so 2x times 3x square. So this is 2 times x times 3 times x square. Now 3 2s are 6. This is 6. And on adding the powers of x, we will get this is 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is 6x cube. Okay. Now next is multiply 2x with negative 4xy and write the answer here. So 2x times negative 4xy. So 2 times x times 4, negative 4 times x times y. So digits 2 into negative 4 will give negative 8. X 1 plus 1 is 2 into y. So answer is negative 8x square y. Now next is 2x and 7x square y. We have to multiply 2x and 7x square y. So this is 2 times x times 7 times x times y, right? 7 2s are 14 and 1 2 3 x cube y. So this is 14 x cube y. So answer is 14 x cube y. Okay. Now last in this column is 2x and negative 9x square y. 2x minus negative x square y square. So 2 times negative 9 will be negative 18. X to the power 1 is here, 2 is here. So this will be x cube y square. Right? So this is 18 negative 18 x cube y square. Now next is minus 5 and 2x. We have to multiply this with this and write the answer over here. Okay. So negative 5y times 2x. So when we multiply the digits, we will get negative 5 into 2 is equal to negative 10 x y. So this is negative 10 x y. Okay. Next is negative 5y into negative 5y and write the answer over here. Okay. So negative 5y times negative 5y. So on multiplying the digit, this is negative and this is negative. So negative 5 into negative 5 is positive 25. y1 y to the power 1 here. So 1 and 1 will be y to the power 2. That is y square. So this is 25 y square. Now next is negative 5y into negative 4x, sorry, negative 5y into 3x square. We have to multiply these two terms and write the answer here. Okay. So negative 5y into 3x square. So when we multiply negative 5 with 3, we will get minus 15 and y and x square. Or you can write it negative 15 x square y. Now next is negative 5 with negative 4xy. So we have to multiply these two terms. So this will be negative 5y times negative 4xy. Now negative and negative, this will be positive, and 5 times 4 is 20, so this is positive 20 x, y to the power 1 is here and 1 is here, so this will be y to the power 2, that is y square. So this is 20 xy square. Now next is negative y into 7x square y. We have to multiply these two terms and write the answer over here. So this will be negative y, negative 5y times 7x square y. So this is equal to minus 35x square, y to the power 1 is here, 1 is here, so 1 plus 1 is y square. So this is negative 35x square y square. Now negative y into negative 9x square y square. So this will give negative 5y times negative x square y square. So negative and negative, this will be positive. 45, 9 5s are 45, x square, y, this is 2, this is 1, so total is 3. So this is 45 x square y cube. Now next one is 3x square into 2x. Okay, so we have to multiply 3x square with 2x and write the answer over here. So let me delete this first. So 3x square times 2x. So multiplying the digit we will get 6 and x to the power 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is 6x cube. Now 3x square into negative 5y is given negative 15x square y. This is given to us. And now we have to multiply 3x square into 3x square. So 3x square into 3x square will be 3 3s are 9, and x to the power 2 is here, 2 is here. So 2 plus 2 is x to the power 4. So this is 9x to the power 4. Now 3x square into negative 4xy. 3x square into negative 4xy. So multiplying the digit, 3 into negative 4 is negative 12. X to the power 2 plus 1 is 3 and y. So this is negative 12 x cube y. Now next is 3x square into 7x square y. And we have to write answer over here. So 3x square into 7x square y. 7 3s are 21. So this is 21. X to the power 2 plus 2 is 4 y. So this is 21 x to the power 4 y. Now last is 3x square into negative 9x square y square. So negative 9 into 3 is negative 27. X to the power 2 plus 2 is 4 and y square. So this is negative 27 x to the power 4 y square. Now next is negative 4xy into 2x. We have to multiply negative 4xy with 2x and write the answer over here. So negative 4xy times 2x. So negative 4 into 2 is negative 8. X to the power 1 plus x to the power 1 is equal to x to the power 1 plus 1 is 2 y. So answer is negative 8x square y. Now negative 4 into negative 5y. Negative 4xy into negative 5y. This will give negative 4 into negative 5 is positive 20. X y to the power 1 plus 1 is y square. So this is 20 x y square. Now negative 4xy into 3x square. Negative 4xy into 3x square. So negative 4 into 3 is negative 12. X to the power 2 plus 1 is 3 and y is only 1. So this is negative 12x cube y. Next is negative 4xy into negative 4xy. Negative 4xy into negative 4xy. This is equal to negative 4 into negative 4 is positive 16. X to the power 1 plus 1 is 2. Y to the power 1 plus 1 is again 2. So this is 16x square y square. Now next is negative 4xy into 7x square y. Negative 4xy times 7x square y. So 4x, negative 4 into 7 is negative 28. Here x to the power 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. Y to the power 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is negative 28 x cube y square. Now last one in this column is negative 4xy into negative 9x square y square. Negative 4xy times negative 9x square y square. So negative 4 into negative 9 will be positive 36. X to the power 1 plus 2 is x cube. Y to the power 1 plus 2 is y cube. So this is 36 x cube y cube. Now next is 7x square y into 7x square y. And last one is 7x square y into negative 9x square y square. So let's see what will be the answer. 7x square y into 7x square y. So 7 times 7 is 49. X to the power 2 plus 2 is 4. Y to the power 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is 49 x to the power 4 y square. And last in this column is 7x square y times negative 9x square y square. So 7 into negative 9 is negative 63. X to the power 2 plus 2 is 4. Y to the power 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is negative 63 x to the power 4 y cube. Now 9x square y square into 2x. This into 2x. So this will give negative 9x square y square times 2x. So 9 2s are 18 and this is negative sign of 9. So it minus 18 x to the power 2 plus 1 is 3y square. So this is negative 18 x cube y square. Now negative 9 x square y square into negative 5 y. So negative 5 into negative 9 will be positive 45 x square y to the power 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is 45 x square y cube. Third is negative 9 x square y square into 3x square. So this is negative 9 into 3 is negative 27 x to the power 2 plus 2 is 4 and y square. So this is negative 27 x to the power 4 y square. Now negative 9x square y square into negative 4xy. Negative 9x square y square into negative 4xy. So negative 9 into negative 4. This will give positive 36 x to the power 2 and this is 1. So this will give x to the power 3, y to the power 2 and this is 1. So this will give y to the power 3. So answer will be 36 x cube y cube. Now next is negative 9 x square y square into 7x square y. So negative 9 into 7 is negative 63. Okay. Now x to the power 2 plus 2. So this will be x to the power 4, y to the power 2 plus 1. This will be y cube. So answer will be negative 63 x to the power 4 y cube. Now last one is negative 9 x square y square times negative 9 x square y square. So negative 9 into negative 9. This will be positive 81 x to the power 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Y to the power 2 plus 2. This is y to the power 4. So answer will be 81 x to the power 4 y to the power 4. So I hope you will be able to solve any kind of multiplication of monomial. If you want to practice more questions, you can download it from my channel page and try to solve them. So this is all for today. Now next 3-4 questions are left that I will take in my next class. Okay.